as a scientist, I never ever imagined that I would have to learn how to better communicate the value of our innovation at the university. And that's why Multi-gnostics was able to set how to plan and rapidly achieve milestones and developed our path to growth beyond the program. I think that a great benefit received from this program is that we learn to communicate our values so we can confidently pitch to customers.
We're very grateful to be given the opportunity to participate in this valuable program. It really taught us the principles for a successful startup and how to effectively grow our business. We learned how to strategically plan the next steps forward and how to effectively pitch to investors. And really, most importantly, we learned how to understand our value propositions, and we got confirmation on how valuable our company really is for millions of people.
The thing about this program that helped me the most was being able to translate how I used to speak as a PhD student to other scientists at conferences, to being able to speak to customers, investors, people who might not necessarily know all the work that went into what we do, but are definitely interested in the outcomes that we can achieve.
So the mentors helped us in a very difficult task, and that was of crystallizing difficult concepts from the research field in a simple message. And we realized how transformative our technologies can be, and we learned how to fuel and spark that transformation.
Well, we strongly recommend this program because our company was also to immerse in the Monetization Accelerator and learn strategically how to better plan the commercialization and the planning of the company product development. And we were also able to focus attention on what matters most.
Absolutely. I would definitely recommend this program. Richard McDonald was extremely knowledgeable, very supportive, helpful, and respectful. He really helped us see how valuable to society our cause is. We've been getting a lot of requests from patients that don't have a viable solution. There are no treatment options. And, so it really helped reinforce our cause. The program covers the most important aspects to set your business up for success, and everything was really clearly and logically thought out, and the tools we used during the various boot camps helped enforce the lessons that were taught and really helped us figure out a pathway with our product and how to go to market.
I would recommend this program to my colleagues because when I entered this program, I knew that my science was good, but I also knew that I needed help developing the business side of it. And this program showed me the tools and the metrics that we needed to develop to help us get ready to go to market.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this program to my colleagues. That is because the discoveries that we make in the lab, the breakthrough discoveries that we make, cannot change the world if they do not leave the lab and grow. So thanks to this program, we learn how to do just that and to reach commercialization. This was awesome.
Welcome to the inaugural cohort of the University of Miami's From Idea to Monetization Accelerator Demo Day. I'm Norma Kenyon, Chief Innovation Officer of the Miller School of Medicine and Vice Provost for Innovation at the University of Miami. In this role, I oversee U Innovation, which has multiple programs and platforms to support the entrepreneurial endeavors of our faculty, staff, students, and alumni. Today, you will see 4 teams of researchers from our Miller School of Medicine present their breakthrough discoveries in the form of a startup that can provide important and urgently needed solutions and cures to society today. This demo day is that next step in the process as they move from the academic to the commercial side. And here's Richard to explain the curriculum that brought these teams to today's demo day.
Hi, I am Richard McDonald. I am an entrepreneur in residence here at the University of Miami, as well as an instructor and mentor at 500 Startups, a VC firm based in Silicon Valley. A few months ago, I was asked to put together and teach a curriculum that would enable the University of Miami's medical research team's breakthrough discoveries reach the market in the form of a startup. I did this by utilizing the same intensive learnings that we teach startups in our venture capital accelerators to the teams here in this program, which I have dubbed From Idea to Monetization Accelerator. This is an intensive 10-week program that concentrates on building a startup around the life-enhancing or life-saving discoveries of these medical researchers. Today, you will see this inaugural class of 4 teams present their discoveries in the form of a startup so that they can both commercialize their breakthrough and reach the market expeditiously. Up next is Enrique, who will tell you more about who will be presenting today.
Hello, I am Enrique Triay. I am the Venture Consulting Manager of the Launchpad, the Center for Entrepreneurship here at the University of Miami, which helps students, faculty, staff, and alumni pursue their entrepreneurial endeavors. Today, you will see 4 research teams from our medical school present their breakthrough discoveries as startups. First to present is Biovitro, which improves human cell cultures to find cures faster. Second is Avantix, which cures chemotherapy-induced nerve damage. Third is Multi-gnostics, which enables the early detection of Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, cell automation, which dramatically increases cell therapy production. To all the accredited investors in the VC Slack workspace today, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive content we provided to you. If you have any questions, please message us in the Help Slack channel. With that, Biovitro, take it away.
Did you know that 9 out of 10 promising new drugs fail when they're first tested in humans? Hi, I'm Matthew, co-founder and CEO of Biovitro, and we improve human cell cultures to find cures faster. Over the last 4 years, my team and I have been refining our approach to optimize the culture of human organoids, which has resulted in multiple peer-reviewed publications and collaborations across the United States. Earlier this year, we published a validation of our platform in the journal Science Advances, and by the end of next year, our goal is to report successful results from our first customers. The biggest problem in drug development is that 90% of drugs fail in clinical trials. This is because preclinical models do not faithfully recreate the human condition. Static 2D human cell cultures oversimplify the complexities of human physiology, and positive results in animals don't always translate to humans because of the inherent genetic and physiological differences. Biovitro has developed a microfluidic cell culture platform that enables the culture and assessment of 3D cell clusters that resemble human organs. The dynamic microenvironment in our device mimics aspects of a living person, which promotes structural and functional maturation of human cells. We've engineered this into an optically clear chip that is compatible with real-time assessments, enabling the most relevant readouts. We've performed beta tests at 4 major universities, and these early adopters are helping us prepare for our commercial launch. We have a patent pending for the design of our microfluidic device, and we are currently performing a test run for large-scale manufacturing. The founders of Biovitro have over 25 years of combined experience working in this field. I've been developing models of human disease for over 5 years. Sid, our Chief Operations Officer, has over 10 years of previous startup experience developing and implementing new platforms for cancer diagnostics. And our Chief Scientific Advisor, Ashu, is a leader in the field of organs on chips. Biovitro, better models, better results, faster cures. Let's improve drug development together.
Did you know that every year 195,000 Americans suffer from permanent nerve damage caused by chemotherapy? Hi, I'm Bianca, co-founder and COO of Avantix, and our mission is to cure chemotherapy-induced peripheral nerve damage. We're moving fast. In 2016, we discovered the mechanism that causes chemotherapy-induced nerve damage in zebrafish. In 2019, we validated that this same mechanism is also present in rats, which is a species closer to humans. In 2020, we discovered a compound that cures this nerve damage in zebrafish. And in 2021, we are working to validate that this same compound works in rats. The market for this type of cure is in excess of $7 billion. Let's take a deeper look into this problem. As mentioned, every year 195,000 Americans experience permanent nerve damage brought on by their chemotherapy treatment. And if this weren't bad enough, fully 38,000 Americans every year will have to delay or even abandon their life-saving treatment due to the pain and numbness caused by chemotherapy. These delays or abandonments will place these patients' survival rate in serious jeopardy. But our initial research indicates that we have a solution. Our compound will not only cure chemotherapy-induced peripheral nerve damage, but will also prevent it from occurring in the first place when taken with chemotherapy. This will dramatically improve a patient's survival rate and quality of life for all those who have experienced or will avoid the experience of chemotherapy-induced nerve damage. Our team is highly skilled. My experience ranges from investment banking to startup formation. Sandra is my co-founder and CEO. She discovered the mechanism that causes chemotherapy-induced peripheral nerve damage, as well as the compound that can potentially cure this condition. Our advisors are experts from UCLA, Purdue, and the Mayo Clinic. Avantix, cure chemotherapy-induced peripheral nerve damage. Improve quality of life. Allow chemotherapy treatments to be completed uninterrupted. Come save lives with us.
Did you know that 3.6 million Americans are walking around with Alzheimer's and don't know it? Hi, my name is Delia, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Multi-gnostics, and we enable the early detection of Alzheimer's. In 2016, we received funding to identify ocular biomarkers of Alzheimer's. Later, we attracted more funding from the Alzheimer's Association. Since then, we have several peer-reviewed publications leading to a patent. Our next step is to refine our algorithm. The market size is estimated at $5 billion. So let's dive into the problem. 3.6 million Americans have Alzheimer's, but are unaware that they have it. This problem is because the current tests are lengthy, invasive, expensive, and imprecise. We are working on a user-friendly device for diagnosing Alzheimer's. We will accomplish this by utilizing artificial intelligence, fractal analysis, electroretinography, and a proprietary algorithm. This enables us to provide an accurate diagnosis that is both cost-effective and instantaneous. In addition, the device is portable, which allows it to become ubiquitous. As part of the University of Miami, we are taking advantage of its full resources. We are also working with other partners to access seniors and primary care physicians. Our team has unique expertise. I have a PhD in applied physics and 18 years experience in ocular research. My co-founder, Richard, has expertise in machine learning, and Arthur, our CFO, has 30 years experience in business operations. Multi-gnostics allows our customers to receive early detection and engage timely therapeutics, which increases the quality of life. Help us lessen the impact of Alzheimer's.
Did you know that it takes on average 16 years to develop a cell therapy cure? Hi, my name is Giacomo, founder and CEO of Cell Automation, and we dramatically increase cell therapy production to deliver cures faster. We started in 2019 with the development of the stem cell isolator prototype. In 2020, we developed the organoid bioreactor and automated backfilling station prototypes. We now have in process a submission to the FDA, and we expect authorization by the end of 2021. By the end of 2022, we expect to have completed 3 successful beta customer case studies. This is a $40 billion market. So here's the problem. It takes on average 16 years to develop a cell therapy into a cure. That is because cell therapy production is mostly manual. It requires human intervention and it has a relatively high rate of contamination. Our solution is a hardware and software platform that contains 3 proprietary components: the stem cell isolator, the bioreactor, and the automated bag filling station. These 3 components combined enable cell therapy production that is 8 times faster than what is available today. This allows our customers to develop cures in a fraction of the time. We submitted our patents in 2020. To develop this leading-edge solution takes a very talented team. I have a PhD in medical biotechnology and 15 years of experience in cell therapy. Felipe has 20 years of experience engineering tools for the medical field. Jorge has 15 years of experience developing software for process automation and robotic control. Cell automation, automated platform, 8 times faster cell therapy production, shorter time to cures. Come build cures with us.
Thank you for attending our demo day. If you have any questions in the following days, please message us in the Slack help channel if you are an investor, or email me if you are any other viewer at enrique@thelaunchpad.org. On behalf of everyone at the University of Miami, thank you again for participating, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.